So here we are. I'm with my friend Terra Scott. She does yoga, and we're going to do cow yoga so that we can experience nature and the presence of cows.
I was reading on cow animal spirit medicine, and cows are representative of the powerful nurturing mother spirit that exists beyond just the form of a cow, but in each and every person and all throughout nature. So I'm really excited to kind of infuse myself with the energy of the cows.
I never thought of
Healing
that.
of them, their medicine.
The mothering.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So to start off with, we're gonna take our except we're gonna reverse it and take a moo instead.
I like mooing.
Mm-hmm. So to prepare for your you're gonna breathe into your belly, and I want you to imagine you have how many gallons? 60-gallon
Oh yes,
belly,
60
like a
gallons.
cow.
4 stomachs.
Wow.
It's a lot of Gatorade.
So we're gonna breathe into imagine that we have 4 bellies. Breathe. So you're gonna breathe your belly so big and fat. And then the next time you breathe into your belly, we're going to take our moo together. So breathe big into the belly. Moo. I said mom by accident. I didn't even mean
Really?
to. Yeah.
Well, you were talking about being a mothering cow.
Oh.
Moo-om.
Moo.
Moo-om.
Moo. That's probably a sacred sound too. The sound of the om. It's so comforting.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of sound reminds me of an om. So we're gonna breathe our hands up like a blade of grass slowly to not scare the cows. We're reaching up a tall blade of grass. Reach tall. And then a blade of the grass in the wind reach over.
Kansas wind.
The wind goes the other way, reaching up.
Dust devil.
And the other way.
See, what am I doing now?
Blade of grass in a tornado.
Dust devil, yeah.
So this is a good one. It's kind of like cat and cow circles. So if you've ever done cat and cow, where you come forward, belly comes through just like a cow, and then round over like a cat, we can do the dust devil with cat-cow circles. So the rib cage comes towards the right. Breathe in, the heart shines forward. Rib cage comes towards the left. Round over. So seeing if you can kind of smooth out those kinks in the spine, leading those circles with the rib cage. Breathing in as you come forward, and breathe out as you come back.
Oh, I'm sorry, I just let a moo out.
It's natural. From here, we're going to come to neutral. We're going to set an intention for our practice today. What is your intention, Derek?
I'm going to name that one Loretta. Her butt is currently towards us, but
Oh, hi, Loretta.
with that pink, orangish, reddish ear tag on the right.
Do you-
808 is next to her.
Loretta, do you like that name? Loretta?
She's shy.
Okay. Okay, from here, we're going to be an eagle who gets to watch us above. So we're going to hook our left elbow over our right, and then we're going to twist as far as we can. Your goal is to get your palms to face each other. Bring the elbows back to center.
There's no way.
So maybe if it's really far, you can just pull that left arm across.
Oh.
Yes. So this is eagle
stretching.
pose. Reach your hands up. And breathe out, unravel.
I'm kind of a tightwad.
Breathe in, blade of grass. We're getting looser though. And breathe out, we're gonna come into eagle on the other side. So maybe just pulling that arm over or lifting and twisting.
I gotta let out a moo. You have long moos.
Yeah. I've been a cow for a long time.
You
So from here we're gonna do From here, we're
good to
gonna do jaw stretches, but we're gonna do the jaw stretches mimicking the way the cows eat grass.
Oh.
Yeah. So you're gonna open your mouth really wide.
You gotta get the tongue.
Oh.
They use their tongue a lot.
And I want you to try to stretch out all the muscles and ligaments all around your throat and your jaw. Make sure you chew both directions with your mouth so your jaw doesn't get stuck on one side. You might notice you have little kinks on that circle when you try to chew. See if you can smooth that out, finding that full range of mobility. Because when there's places where there's gaps in your mobility, then your body creates injury because it doesn't know what's going on, so it tries to protect itself. So you want to always try to work through all your range of motion as much as you can.
I'm definitely a left dominant cow chewer.
So that would mean you want to try to chew a right dominant more. I keep forgetting the tongue part.
Yeah. Maybe we should name that one. She's very chill.
What's your name?
What's your name? Hello. Hi. Maybe, Velveeta?
Velveeta, that's horrible. She's much more pure.
Mary?
Velveeta.
Mary? Excuse me, someone's using the restroom. Just try to block that out. I think we should end with cow grazer.
Okay. Okay, show me how this works again.
Okay, so we gotta get on all fours. And then you stretch down, reach down and, pretend to grab a blade of grass. Come up and chew it.
That jaw stretch again. Don't forget to bring your tongue into it.
And then a moo. Moo.
I think it's wonderful we're ending in cow pose.
Yeah.
That's good. That makes me feel good.
Okay, one more.
Okay.
Chew it.
Chew it the other way.
And then one more moo.
Moo.
Oh. You're a good mooer.
Thank you. I practice oming often, which is pretty much the same as
Same thing, just backwards.
Just backwards.
Okay. Until next time.
Thank you all for joining us.
Thank you.
Namaste.
Moo moo moo.